Tá sítar dom gur fear farige agus umbrih é seo. Síon tóiltóireacht míana chruí mar a bhfuil an seol spreode trocht an ádaige agus scuidann sé lena bhthúcháin is súil na dhíthe. Tá réirchaige bhá farsin farige ó dheashuiid. Cuireann sé an úldúin go bhfuil an duine chuman bhric ag snáb trí achran an tail. Bí míad go minic ag stracha tríd an ainiise.
He is happiest when at sea, when he has raised split sail. He can leave go his feelings as he faces into the wind. He sails into a wide open bay to the south. Man is like the trout against the current as he swims against the travails of this life. Each of us must make the same difficult journey. And it seems nobody is catching anything. So, after 10 hours on the water and €40 worth of diesel, plus the cost of gear and insurance, Seanín and Micheal returned to Dingle with 5 pollock large enough to keep.